Yo, what is up people? This is Trishanu'stech and you're watching Trishanu'stech. So let's start today's video. Today I'll be reviewing the Realme C21Y. So let's begin the video. So yes guys, as you can see, this is the box right here, written Realme C21Y. You can see it over right here as well here, and this is the downside. And in the back side, the specs are given 3 card slots, 2 for SIM and 1 for memory card. You can extend this up to 265 GBs of storage using a memory card. It has a fingerprint sensor, 16.5 centimeter display, which is huge. It's very huge. Powerful octa-core processor, which is an Unisco T610 processor. It has 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera, triple camera set, and the amazing feature in this is that it has 5000 milliampere battery, which is really huge. In the latest versions of the Realme phones also it does not come. It comes around 4500 milliampere batteries for making the phone slimmer, as I have reviewed the Realme GT. So now let's go right into the box. I have already opened this box and I will say you one thing. This box is extremely hard to open. It's not built properly though. And as you might be knowing, the Realme, this thing, yellow color is their signature color. So yeah. Now let's just open the box. It comes right out like this. So, and over here there's some paperwork. Not much paperwork. I love this feature of Realme. They don't include that much of paperwork. Yeah, so let's keep this aside. And now they have even given a hinge for opening and pulling this thing out. As you can see, this is the back panel, and now you can just open the phone like so. Slides right out. So this right here is the phone. As you can see, triple camera set. Fingerprint sensor is there on the back side. The texture and the feel of this phone is extremely good. I loved it. The speakers are right here. There are 3 cameras, 64, 2 and 2. And right here is a big flashlight. And here's the front camera. This is of 8 megapixel camera. The front camera is of 8 megapixel. This is the charger. This is a little bit different type of charger because it's a 10-watt charger and it's very lightweight. The charger is extremely light in weight. And yeah. So it has a 5000 milliampere battery. We have expected to give a little bit more powerful charger rather than 10 watts, because 10 watts is too less. Right here is the cable. As you can see, you can just open the cable like so. Yes guys, as you can see, I have opened the cable, and right here is normal USB which goes right here, and another side is normal micro USB. It's not C-type, it's the normal USB thing. So now let's see more into the phone itself. It has a microphone right here, 2 microphones, the normal micro USB, and it has a 3mm jack. So now let's just power up this phone. I've already set up the phone. As you can see, Realme, and it comes with Android 11. The storage on this thing is 62 GB and 4 GB RAM. This varies, like the price varies according to the storage and the RAM. So this thing's current price is around 8999 rupees. So yes guys, I know this phone is really cheap, and according to the cost, the phone's features you get really good. So yes guys, as you can see, the phone is right on right now. Now I'll be showing you the fingerprint sensor. As you can see, I have set my finger, this finger to this finger. So yeah, just press it. Right, opens right away. So it's a really quick response time of the fingerprint sensor. It also has face recognition. I wouldn't say the camera is really good. I kind of did not like the camera. Yeah, I mean, it's obviously a 8000 rupees phone, and they obviously give you a low end camera with it. As I said, it's 13 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel camera. So yeah, that's about the camera, and it can shoot videos up to 1080p. Over here is the SIM card and the memory card slot. Over here are the speakers, fingerprint sensor, as I said, and over here are the power button and the volume rockers up and down. Both are in the same side, which is not so convenient, but yeah, it's fine. As you can see, it opens right away. The speed in this one and the display quality is extremely good. The brightness is a 1000 nits, which is perfectly fine for outdoor usage, as you can see right here. I'll just show a 4K video on this. Yes guys, as you can see, this is a 4K video. The speakers are extremely loud. I would say it's very loud. In the high-end phones also you don't get it. As you can see, the speakers are very loud. But I'll say you one thing, the speakers are extremely loud, but then the sound clarity, the sound quality is not good, but the speakers are really loud, I can say that. So yes guys, now I'll be saying you the demotivations of this phone right here. I did not like the UI of this. It's based on Android 11, but then I'll just show you right away. You can see this is clearly not Android 11. If I open the photos and all, it's not Android 11. It's based on Android 11. You can see screenshots are coming here, and the retracted tabs button is right here, and the back button is on the left side, which is not so convenient. We are used to the right side itself. And now I'll show you in the about phones tab. Yeah, so as you can see, 64GB octa-core, 4GB RAM, and based on Android 11. And as you can see, the Realme UI version is R edition. Usually Realme phones come with 2.0 edition, but then it's R edition right here. The UI is kind of different from other phones, which I really do not like. So now let's talk about gaming. You totally can't do gaming with this phone. It will lag a lot. Yes, it's possible, but then it will lag a lot. As I said you, it has a Unisco T610 processor, so it's not even a Snapdragon processor. Yeah, but then the speed is very good. For 8,000 rupees phone, this is the perfect choice you can get. But I would rather prefer you people to buy the Vivo U20. It's in the same, like around the same price range. It's around 11,000. But then yeah, the speed and the camera in that is extraordinary. So I really like that feature in the Vivo U20. I'm not a huge fan of this phone, although yeah, the features and the stuff which it gives in 8,000 rupees is amazing. I really like that. So yes guys, I hope you liked today's review. If you did like it, please do subscribe, share and like and comment on my video. And if you want to talk with me in live and give me some suggestions for my YouTube channel, feel free to join my Discord server and DM me. I'll be right free for you all. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.